Money can't buy happiness, but it can reduce anxiety, which contributes to happiness. There's a lot of rich people who take their life. There's a lot of rich people who do drugs and overdrink alcohol to escape something. I don't know what that thing is, but obviously money is not buying happiness. But for the common man, money can reduce anxiety. 2024. Two things are going to happen for you in 2024. You're going to get into shape. You're going to be lean, trim, strong, fast, and healthy with good lab work numbers. That's the first thing, because health is wealth. Second thing is you're going to increase your wealth or look into areas of how you can increase your wealth. Not your job, not your wage, but your wealth. How can you do that? You don't need another degree. You don't need another certification. You don't need luck. What you need is a personal board of directors that you can confer with on a weekly basis. I'll be talking more about that in the future.